Some vehicles are built for the commute, but our 2025 Ford Bronco Big Bend, with its black appearance package, is designed to ignite your wanderlust. This bold SUV is packed with everything you need to tackle New Brunswick's winding roads, sandy beaches, and rugged trails. With just 19,827 kilometers and a striking painted black hardtop, it's a showstopper wherever you go. Comfort features like heated leather seats and remote start ensure you're ready for frosty mornings or toasty summer afternoons. Need a hand getting in? Sturdy side steps have you covered. And thanks to the 222A package, everyday driving feels like a breeze. When adventure calls, our Bronco's 4x4 capability, blind spot information system, and rear park assist deliver impeccable safety and confidence, whether it's pouring rain or crunching gravel. Need to tow? The tow package makes it easy. Tech-savvy drivers will love the rear camera and connectivity options. At Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, our 12-month huggable guarantee means you're covered with perks like a full tank of gas, a spin on our spin to win wheel, free Carfax, balance of factory warranty, and more. Don't just drive, explore in our huggable Bronco.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug